Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to IELTS Maximum by Dr. Hamza, and in this video I am going to tell you about a very effective and good technique to solve the list of heading problems in reading passage of IELTS exam. Mostly people find it very difficult to solve this portion of exam because it is actually very difficult, but with this trick, with this tip, I can assure you a 8+ band with the help of this trick. So just listen to this video very carefully. Don't skip it. Please don't skip it, because it is going to be a little bit lengthy video, because I am going to tell you that kind of trick which is going to help you a lot to achieve your required band score from this to this. So video it's a bit lengthy, so stay calm, stay focused, and just try to grab the knowledge which I am giving to you. So first of all, you are now seeing a list of headings on your screen, and just look at the list of headings. First heading reads as effect of city life on mental health. Second reads as stress reduction in animals. Two types of stresses, the fallout of cell death, the best type of exercises, and the list goes on. So the tip is that you need to find out that clue word, you need to find out that standard word. For example, in first heading, effect of city life on mental health. On mental health, it is very important to encircle this mental health. In second heading, focus on stress reduction in animals. Now third, two types of stresses. Fourth one is the fallout of cell death. Fifth one is the best type of exercise. Here you can focus on best type of exercise. In second one, two types of stress. So in each heading there is a specific word, there is a specific clue word which you guys need to focus on. Now the trick is that, for example, let us take an example of first heading. It reads as mental health, effect of city life on mental health. Though there you can call it as a loop hole in the reading module of IELTS, that they cannot talk about in any of the paragraph of your reading passage about mental health except the one which is your answer. I am going to repeat these words which I have just said, that you guys need to focus on mental health. There is only one paragraph in your whole reading passage in which they are talking about mental health. There is no other paragraph in the whole passage which focuses on mental health. So just find out that paragraph in which mental health is discussed, and that is going to be your right answer. Let's focus on second heading. It reads as stress reduction in animals. Okay, stress reduction in animals. So in the whole passage there will only be one paragraph in which they strictly discusses stress reduction in animals. In any other paragraph, they will not even discuss about stress reduction in animals or something. Okay, so it is very important to to merge this information which I am giving to you, that they have to strictly follow this rule. They cannot talk about two clue words in two different paragraphs. Okay, if they have given you a clue word about mental health, so they will discuss only mental health in one of the paragraph of the passage. They cannot discuss it in any of the other passage. Okay, let's focus on the second last heading, neuron loss in childhood. Neuron loss in childhood. So there will only be just one paragraph in which they have discussed neuron loss. Let's focus on the second last heading, which reads as neuron loss in childhood. Neuron loss in childhood. So there will only be just one paragraph in which they have talked about neuron loss in childhood. Okay, they cannot do it in any other paragraph and relate it with any other paragraph. They will strictly need to do this because they are also strictly advised to give that clue word, to give that line of your answer in only one paragraph. So कहने का मकसद ये है आपसे कि जिस पैराग्राफ में आपका क्लू वर्ड है वो उसी में ही होगा, उसके बारे में ऊपर नीचे किसी पैराग्राफ में और कोई भी उससे रिलेटेड बात नहीं होगी. सो जस्ट फाइंड आउट दैट क्लू वर्ड, ओके, एंड फाइंड दैट पैराग्राफ ऑफ योर पैसेज इन विच they have discussed it. ठीक है, only there will be only one paragraph in which they have discussed that clue word. So just focus on it, and this is the bestest tip with the help of which you can easily attain 8+ band in just 14 days of practice. Just 14 days of practice is required, and you can attain your maximum band with the help of this technique. You can call it as a flaw in IELTS reading module paper setting, or you can call it as a tip or trick with the help of which you can achieve your desired band score in just 14 days of practice. Just practice this technique, and do subscribe my channel, and do share with your friends as well who are going to take the IELTS exam in near future. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. I'll share the best tips with you. Who knows, I may have to delete this video because I have shared that kind of loophole in IELTS reading exam set pattern that I have to delete this video. I may have to delete this video if they force me or something. So before that, do share with your friends, do subscribe my channel, and see you in the next videos like this. So take care, love, bye bye.